MD here. Oh, I forgot to add the protective adhesive to, invention silicone film tape that's going to go, for example, let's say this Welcome to Las Vegas sign. It's made out of the stardust. Yellow diamond. Okay. Let's say this Taylor Swift's apparel, the Alvarado design is Taylor Swift's clothing, the Alvarado's intelligence. Apparel to Taylor Swift's apparel, whatever you want to call it. Okay, Teddy. GP Teddy is Taylor's nickname, all right, from me. Let's say this is yellow diamond, okay? Now I'm gonna throw this right here in the washing machine. That's what's the other problem? It bounces around, and I can lose money if the jewelry comes off. For example, this hat, if this emblem was yellow diamond, approximate retail price would be about $500. Okay, it would be about $500, and obviously the material of the hat would be like a solid leather. It would be like leather, so the hat would pretty much last you the rest of your life if you take care of it. Okay, so now we want to take care of the jewelry, of course. All right, so that's where the Alvarado comes in again. Now, what Taylor Swift is going to do is that she's going to put, for example, okay, you buy the hat and that's yellow diamond, okay, stardust diamond, okay. Obviously, that's all signature detailed, so that the silicone tape would be this, okay. For example, the standard duct tape is like that wide, all right? Now the adhesive is gonna go on the side. The glue is gonna go on the side, okay? And the tape is gonna be thin silicone. So you're gonna add that, tape it right across the top. You can go all the way around if you want. Tape it right across the top, and then you flatten it. Voila. It's a thin silicone, okay? So the silicone, the thin silicone, it's like the film for a screen to a phone. So it'll mold to what your apparel is. All right. Now on the amount you're gonna need, money talks. Yeah. Let's say you need an amount for like the thickness of an actual duct tape roll. That would cost you, on this silicone film, would cost you about, I'd probably go with a good $50. I'd probably go with a good $50. That's not that bad. It ain't that bad. $30. Yeah, $30 is fair. $40, something like that. Yeah, I wouldn't go that far. Okay, so and then when it's glamour night, take the film right out. That thing is shining and divining. Yeah! Okay, guys, God bless you. MD here. God bless for the best. Have a nice night. And dine out tonight.